Hi, I'm Mark from Painter's Voyage, and in this video I will show you my new eShop.
My new eShop is ready!
Woo! Okay, what can you find in this eShop? Well, first, paintings, of course. Second, frames for the paintings, but these frames have no plastic in them, no nails, and no staples. I wanted to do this in more old-fashioned way, so what I am using is wood and of course physics. Third thing that you can find in the eShop is clothes. Now the main thing is actually not the main thing because it's supposed to be about painting, but I'm so excited to tell you about this. These glass mugs. Everything that you buy in the eShop is shipping free unless you buy just one thing. If you buy just one thing, then the shipping is something between $5 and $20, but we ship worldwide, which is great. One more very important thing is this page with sponsors. They are a big part of the whole planning process. These people, they actually contribute. And that's huge for me. And I thank you. I thank you, and you know who you are. By the way, we're accepting PayPal and Stripe. Go check it out on www.paintersvoyage.academy. And I'll be looking forward to dispatching some goods for you. Oh, one more thing. Don't forget, stay messy.